Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. It's the middle of January. It's a brisk 5 degrees outside, and it is time to start a new garden. As you can see behind me, I've got my rack ready. Got to order some seeds. Now this is the first question I always get. Where do you order seeds? That's a pretty simple answer. I mean, you get on the internet. But there are specific places I go that I wanted to share, again, because folks have asked. The first place I generally go is Baker Creek Seeds or rareseeds.com. Just had really good luck getting seeds from this place. All heirloom seeds, some hybrids, always good luck. The second place I generally get my seeds from, the Seed Savers Exchange out of Iowa. Fabulous organization. All their seeds are heirloom seeds. Always have good luck with them. I highly recommend it. Now the third place I generally go is the Sandia Seed Company. Remember, I like to do chilies. Big Jim chilies, Hatch green chilies. They're fabulous and they are a challenge in Minnesota. So I want to get the best seeds that I possibly can. I've had nothing but good luck from the Sandia Seed Company. Now that's straight out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, where green chilies are their national fruit. They put them in everything. All right, so this year I stepped out just a little bit and I went to Burpee.com. Don't normally go there. Nothing against Burpee, they're fabulous. Anyways, 2-3 years ago, I had some wonderful, wonderful morning glories. They were Grandpa Ott's morning glory and Heavenly Blue morning glory. Absolutely stunning. They were just beautiful. Made my pergola, my deck look gorgeous. So looking forward to it. The other place I generally go is parkseed.com. It's where my Uncle Sonny used to always tell me to go. He used to always say, you can't go wrong with Parkseed. And based on my experience, I've had nothing but good luck. So if you're looking to do this, if you want to grow some seeds in your basement, you want to get your garden going and you're not sure where to start, I've just listed 5 places for you where you should have really good luck. So let's just do them in order to make it easy. There's Baker Creek Seed, Seed Savers Exchange, Sandia Seed Company, Burpee, and finally Parkseed. A lot of other places to buy seed. I get it, I love it. I just want to encourage everyone, order some seeds, start your garden, give it a shot. Let me know how it goes. Once I get my seed orders set up, I'll post them. We'll have another episode soon. I want to thank you all for watching. Really want to encourage you to start your gardens. And I hope you have a great afternoon. Maybe it's warmer where you are. Thank you and bye now.